Systems of linear inequalities. So the solution to a system of linear equations is an ordered pair right here where they intersect, okay? Right here. The solution to a system of linear inequalities is the intersection of the shaded areas. So the first one is just the intersection at a point. The second one of inequalities is the intersection of the shaded areas. So whenever I say find an answer that results in a true statement when you plug it in for the x and the y, there would only be one here, okay? Or if it was the same line, it would be infinite. On this one, there are a multitude of answers that will work as long as you pick them from the area where they intersect. If you pick an answer from here, in this red area, it won't solve both of them. If you pick it from the yellow, it won't solve both of them. But if you pick it where they overlap, then you've got a solution that will give you a true statement when you plug in for the x and the y. Okay, what is the graph of this system? We've got y is less than 2x minus 3. Well, the first one's already in an order that we can graph it easily. We've got a y-intercept of -3, so we come down here to 1, 2, 3. It says the slope is 2 over 1, so we come over here and we go up 1, 2, right 1, up 1, 2, right 1, up 1, 2, and right 1, and we can draw a line now. So we come over here and there we go. Put our arrows on the end of it. And it says less than. It does not say less than or equal to. So since it says less than, that means it's going to be a dashed line. Okay? If it said or equal to, then it would have to be a solid line. Alright, now, the other one, it says 2x plus y is greater than 2. We want it to be in slope-intercept form. So we're going to go minus 2x on this side and minus 2x on this side. We'll draw our line. We now have y is greater than negative 2x plus 2. So our y-intercept is going to be 2. So we go, I forgot something, didn't I? I forgot to shade. So this one says y is less than. So when it says less than, do you shade above it or below it? Correct, you shade below it. So let's make this so I can shade and get a color. Oh, purple or pink, whatever that is. We shade below. Okay, so now let's go on to the second one. The y-intercept is 2. So we'll come over here and we'll put a mark at 2. The slope is negative 2 over 1. So that means we go down 2 and right 1, down 2 and right 1, down 2 and right 1, and down 2 and right 1. We draw our line. Okay, it says greater than. That means that it does not say or equal to, so that means our line is going to be dashed. So let me mark the line here. Our line will be dashed, and we want to put our arrows on each end. Go away. All right. So now where do we shade this one? It says y is greater than. So when it says greater than, that means we shade above it. Okay. Very important not to get confused on your lines here. This is the line we're dealing with right here, and we're going to shade above it. What color should we choose? Get our highlighter here, and let's choose yellow. So now we're going to shade above this line. So we shade like this. Ooh, yellow and purple make red. Look at that. Okay, so where is the solution to our system of inequalities? The solution to our system of inequalities is right over here in this red area. Alright, your turn. Alright, you try to solve this one, then get back with me and we'll see how well you did. Okay, let's see what you did. We've got y is greater than x plus 3. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put our dot at positive 3 because that's the y-intercept. Our slope is 1 over 1, so that means we go up 1 over 1. Now I can draw this line pretty easily here. There we go. It says greater than, so that means that the line is going to be, yes, the line is going to be dashed. Okay, so we come over here and we touch our line. Let's get it. Yes. Make it a dashed line, and we put our arrows on the end. Now the second one says the y-intercept is 6. So we'll come over here and we'll put our dot at 3, 4, 5. There I go again. I forgot to shade it. It says greater than. Where are we going to shade? We're going to shade above, right? So let's come over here and get a color, yellow, and we shade above the line. Very good. I hope that you did that. Now we come back and we say our y-intercept is 6, which we've already put there. Our slope is going to be -2, so that's -2 over 1, which means that we go down 2 and right 1, down 2 and right 1, down 2 and right 1, and let's draw our line. There we go. And extend it in the top part. Now this line says is less than, so that means that it's going to be a dashed line. Put our arrows on each end of the line. Please don't forget to do that. Now where am I going to shade this one? It says less than, so that means I'm going to shade below it. So let's get a color to shade with. We'll shade with blue this time. So we shade below the line. Yellow and blue make green. And there you go. So where's our answer? Is our answer in the blue, the yellow, or the green? Right, it's in the green. That's where they overlap. And so your answer would be found in that section. All right, this one. First thing you got to do whenever you see this one is you realize that it's in decimal form. And you don't need it to be in decimal form. You need it to be in fractions, because that's how slope is done. So you rewrite the problem to be y is less than or equal to 3/4 x minus 2. Come over here and graph that. We've got -2, and we go up 3 and right 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can draw a line. Okay, and we want that line to be, it says less than or equal to, so that means our line is going to be solid. Put our arrows on each end. And where are we going to shade? It says less than or equal to, so we're going to shade below it. So we shade below the line. Such precision work here. Very good. All right, now we do the second one. And we've got y is greater than 3/4 x minus 3. So now we've got to come down here to -3 and put our dot. So we go -1, 2, 3. And our slope is 3/4, so that means that we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here it was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's draw our line. This one says less than, so that means it's going to be it does not say or equal to, so that means it's going to be what kind of line? Correct, it's going to be a dashed line. So we put our dashes, our arrows, and we're going to shade above it because it says greater than. So now let's choose a color to shade with. We'll choose purple this time. Let's see what happens when you use purple and blue. Oh, it makes a very dark blue. Very nice. So where is our answer going to be? Where will our answer be? Apparently I didn't shade that one very good, so let's go back and make sure we got that well. Where is our answer going to be? You got it. It's going to be in that blue area that I just highlighted very well. But the one thing you got to know is you can choose anything from the blue area. You can choose anything from the solid line. But you cannot choose anything that's on the dashed line. So your solution involves two places. And it's either on this line here, or it's in the blue area, but it is not on this dashed line. All right, your turn. You try this one and get back with me. Okay, so we've got y is less than 2x plus 4. And so we're going to do plus 4. We come over here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do y is less than 2x. 2 over 1. So that means we go up 2 and over 1. We can draw our line now. Let's make it a dashed line because it says less than but not equal to. Put our arrows on the end. And we're going to shade below it, right. So I hope that you shaded below it. So we shade below the line. Whoa, lots of drawing on this one. Okay, so now let's come over here and do the other one. Let's get my pen back. This is going to be plus 3x and plus 3x, which gives us negative 2y, is greater than or equal to 3x plus 6. Then we do divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2, and divide by negative 2. That gives us y is, oh, remember you divided by a negative, so you've got to switch the direction of the sign. Did you remember to do that? So that gives us negative 3 over 2x minus 3. So let's get a different color since I used green as my highlighter. Negative 3 is the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3. And our slope is negative 3 over 2. So we go down 1, 2, 3, and right 2. Let's draw the line. And this says or equal to, so it's going to stay a solid line. But we do need to put our arrows on each end of it. I want to remind you, please always remember to put the arrows because that means the lines go on forever in each direction. Alright, where are we going to shade? It says y is less than. So that means you're going to be shading below the line. So let's get our highlighter. Let's choose this color this time. We're going to shade below the line. Ooh, it makes black. Okay, so where's our answer lie? Our answer lies right here in the black area. Did you get that right?